All right, I'm going to try to do a quick demo here of online RME for average Joe or Jill or whatever. Just go to onlinerme.com and this page comes up here at login, online RME, which brings this screen up. And you don't need to log in, just go public record search. And that brings this screen up. And for everything that I'm putting in at the moment, San Juan County is where you want to go. And I go tax ID. In order to do that, I go to San Juan County Polaris. And I'll put that in the description of the video here. But this is the page that comes up. Just go okay, zoom in. I'm just going to zoom in on one real quick. I know I've got an inspection report in on, which is over here. Where do we go? Here we go, Hummel Lake. I know this one was a point of sale I did. So I just right click, highlight it. We're doing the copy and paste method. Go back over here, tax ID paste, submit search. And those are what come up. And just look at the first one. Usually all you need. And then up here, what you want to look at for these septic inspections is search history. And there you have the two services I did. I did an inspection and I did pumping there. You can email a report or you can look at the report. Pumping report comes up like this. You can scan down, you can print it, read it, all of that stuff. Really that easy. All right, thanks, bye.